Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can fix your Instagram Messenger update problem. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your settings. And you want to scroll down to Instagram. You scroll down to Instagram, and what we are going to do is we are going to allow the background app refresh. So once you find Instagram, you look for the background app refresh and you switch it on. As you can see, mine has been switched on. If yours has been switched on, you can just switch it off and on again. And the next thing you want to do is you can exit all the background apps. Just exit all the apps, and after that you can launch your Instagram and the problem should be fixed. As you can see, mine has already been updated. The previous version of the Instagram Messenger was the paper jet that looks like a kite, and this modern one looks like a messaging icon with a lightning inside. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.